Letter number 24. Will, as to how his property should be dealt with, he wrote it on return from Siffin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. This is what Ali ibn Abi Talib, the slave of Allah, has laid down about his property, in pursuance of seeking Allah's pleasure, so that he may by virtue of it give him entry into paradise and accord him peace. It will be administered by Hassan ibn Ali. He will take from it a suitable portion for his livelihood and spend it on charity. If something happens to Hassan, and Hussein survives, he will administer it after Hassan, and deal with it accordingly. In the charitable estate of the two sons of Fatima, they have the same rights as the all other sons of Ali. I have laid down there functions of administration of the two sons of Fatima in order to seek the pleasure of Allah and nearness to the Messenger of Allah, may Allah bless him and his descendants, with due regard for his honor and consideration of his kinship. It is obligatory on him who administers it that he retains the estate as it is, and spends the usufruct as he has been ordered and instructed. He should not sell the seedlings in the plantations of these villages till the land changes its face by turning them into plants. As for those of my slave girls who were under me, if any one of them has a child, or is pregnant, she will be retained for the sake of the child and will form part of his share. If the child dies and she survives, then she is free, bondage is removed from her and liberty is given to her.